ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Komisi benta pentingan ni gitu kilong yeng kiba do ya ki jong kiba it bathon haka jing challenge shop haki bor jong ka mariang haki ni khnget sngi na ka da ka jing ther ulaba u deputy commissioner ki East Khyndew district la pentip ba ka Sorkar kan ai Ïarap sau lak tingka shekitu kilanot ba Shaban Khyndew habi kran bikla pathai ko bor SC sadhu bude UDC ki East Khyndew sula ong ba ka jing ja Shaban Khyndew Nongpriang kemudian haka than sora ka de ka jing ja bampoi perkhat ba na kalyang ki bor district la pha da ka ken hun search and rescue team ba Ïarap ban se ki te kilanot.
So landslide incident in subdivision. In fact, very unfortunate that 4 people were trapped, and so far 2 bodies will be recovered by our team and our team from both the fire and emergency services and from Ïarap, including our teams from subdivision are there at this location, and they're trying hard to ensure that because there is a big boulder which caused this landslide, to remove it so that other bodies also can be recovered. So that efforts are still going on.
So any financial assistance?
Yes, in fact, the financial assistance as a part of in the form of ex gratia to the next of kin will be transferred immediately. That is 4 lakhs per victims.